Let's go. What is up, guys? We are back. Subbox. Yes, it's Subbox Day, bro. It's International Subbox Day. Why did my bro just die? 1, 2, shit. Shit. There we go. Oh. How was he stolen that from me? Adele, you're hacking, bro. Bro is hacking. Like, what the fuck? How? This guy. Is he just too good or something? He doesn't like this game, right? Oh, bro's using a speed core. Okay, fair enough. How's this guy using bow? 29 wax. What the fuck? Come on. Why would you do that, Adele? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? What do you mean long time no see? Oh. Fart. Bombs, bombs, bombs! Oh, yo! What the fuck? Da-da-da-da. Oh, yes, I want this one, please. 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 Can I have this one? Yeah, I'm just too good at football, even in real life as well. You did not kick it in. Come on. Stop lying now. Shit! What the hell could it be? Oh, Adele found it. Chicken nuggets! Let's do this again, but this time please don't die. Ah, that's great, guys. Whoa! Thank you! I love that. Oh! Bro died last second, that is sad. Oh! Not fair, we haven't even dodged it, but I think you did. I literally saw you run into it like a minute ago. Come on, bro. Don't hit me, okay? No, I will not be doing a face reveal because my face looks ugly at the fucking moment. And I don't like it, so... I mean, I love my face, but I just don't want to show it to people because I don't want to get publicly humiliated. I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm just saying I don't want people to get humiliated. Okay, this one's a tough one because I have to do this back and forth, and Adele's neck and neck with me right now. Adele, you son of a bitch! You son of a... You son of a bitch. Oh no, not Phil Neville. Oh, hey, what is this guy doing? Whoa! Hey, why is this guy on 3? Are you stupid? I forgot what I was gonna ask Adele. I actually forgot. My bad, Adele. Actually, secretly I was trying to distract you so you could actually slow down. But since I'm so bad, it's just not happening for me this season. Fun guys. Fun guys. Fun guys. Right. Oh, it's me. Yo, what's good? I'm gonna kill you. Bro, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm going to kill you, okay? Adele. Adele. Are you... Bro, what the fuck? He just jumped over me. This guy. I. Adele! Stop! Bro, this guy. This guy was literally space. Cherry! What's good, my bro? What's good, my dude? This was probably the most annoying one ever, actually. Not the most boring one. I'll tell you which one's the most boring one when it comes. Bruh. Oh! Bruh. The monster's on fire. Give me the... Adele! You keep stealing things. Don't like that. Yeah, I'm not being 2D for the rest of my life. Fuck that shit. However, Jonathan is 2D! Yo, bro, it's actually 2D. Oh, I need to kill. No! What? This is not happening. Bro, how's it? Oh, it's 61. Oh, I thought it was someone else. 61. Why do you have a high V jacket for? You never wear that. They're in the bush somewhere. Bro found... Adele keeps stealing things from me, bro. Adele, I'm gonna call you a stealer because I also hate stealer. I also hate stealer. I hate stealer. I hate stealer, okay? I hate stealer. Oh my god, I found it again. Oh my god, am I so... Why is this a classic? It's 21? Wait, I can't answer, what the fuck? Has my thing glitched? Bro, what the fuck? I can't restart, Jaden. Stop spamming me, bro. What the fuck? I'm recording. Chillax. I will do it later, but I don't know why you don't have any access to the chat on my server, though. Like, I don't know. Oh yeah, I can put my shift lock on, really. Yeah, okay. Big head. Big head. Big head, do do do. Big head, do do do. Cherry move. This is gonna go into our net. Why is it going over there? There we go. 1-1. Even Stevens here. What a piece. 2-1 to the red team. It's not 2-2. It's 2-2. Piss off, 61. Piss off. Nope, 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 nope. You have to get this ball. It's mine. Mine. I'm actually juggling with it. Oh my god. I'm actually so good. That is actually the best juggle I've seen in my life. I just sent him there. I just sent Jonathan. 4-3. How they got 4-3? 4-4. Get them a ball. Just distract them real quick. Oh! Piss off! Down! Move! Like, it actually move! Down! Oh, you bloody cheat. Why would you do that? I'm gonna cut Rick off. I'm gonna cut Cherry off. He actually might cut me off, actually. Fuck. He might cut me off! Oh, I'm still alive! Barely! Barely. I swear that was the best at this game. He's always winning this game. Like, why does he always do that? Guess we're doing this again, I guess. I'm with the useless people again. Oh my god. Piss off. Just get the ball to the fucking net. Just put the ball into the fucking net. I got this. I got this. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Wait, there we go. There we go. There we go. The swearing is just complete. I can just swear. 2, 3, 2. This is like a ball of chess. Like you never know what you get. Life is like a box of chocolate. Never know which one to get. 2-4. 4-2. 4-2. Stay up, bully. Stay up, bully. Oh my god, I pulled your stuff. Hey, yo, what the fuck? It's gonna be 4-3. It's 5-3, actually. Made that 6. Make that 7. 7-3. That is the final score. 7-4, actually. 7-4 is the final score of this match. Whoa. Bobby. Push. Oh, I pushed the tail off. Wait, how is he still there? What the fuck? This guy is literally hacking. Adele's hacking. What the fuck? Oh my god, that is actually rigged. I'm gonna end the video if that happens again. This guy rigs it. Like, what the fuck? If this guy can fall, see, he's falling and he comes back. But when I fall, he doesn't. Like, I actually figured that was actually hacking. Shut up from the screen. Nah. You're still hacking to me. Alright, let's do about 5 more rounds, and then we're going to end it. Bro said you knew you were adopted. That is sad. But Jonas said Dead Rose. Wouldn't have that 61. I wouldn't have that. And I don't especially wouldn't have that if say that you're adopted. Don't have that, bro. Bro just made a wolf tags. Don't have that. Don't have that, Adele. My guy just said he's adopted. What the fuck? Bro, why did... Alright, let's go. Goodbye, Adele. Yeah, I'm sensing someone getting closer here. Wait, how is this guy jumping and he died? Oh, he died now. Okay. I only jumped because I wanted to see if that was working. My bad. How about we can make 2 more bombs? Come on. How is this guy finding the pad? Oh. Die! Alright, good. I'm gonna go for Rick. Piss off 61, bro. You so dead. So dead at this game. I'm joking. Why are you running away, bro? How? What the hell, Rick? What the fuck? I'm gonna get blue. Green it is. I swear to God, if it's green, I'm gonna smash something. Fuck! Goodbye, people. I am not Jaden Box. Wait, what?